When I hit run once, then it can grab lead from Typeform and wait 3 seconds. Then it can add lead to our CRM and generate booking link and send to our prospect to book a meeting. Then tell our team to check the lead. In demo purpose, I just enter my email to check this workflow or not. Now I can open my Gmail to check the email can I receive or not. Here you can see I receive a mail in spam folder. If you don't want to your mail go in spam folder, you just need to warm up your mail. In checking purpose, here you can see I successfully received my mail. Here you can see I got a calendar link to book a meeting in mail. First of all, we need to build this workflow to create Typeform to grab lead. Here you can see I visit Typeform. I already have an account. Now I can show you how can you create your first form in the Typeform. Now click create a new form. You can build from scratch or Google form. Now I create with AI. Now I choose for lead qualification. Now enter your company name and describe your business to continue this part. For demo purpose, I just enter random thing to continue this part. Now I can continue this part. You can also need to fill this information to generate quality of question for your form. Now I can continue this part. For now I can generate question for us. Here you can see the detailed question generated AI for us. You can read and customize in your behalf. Now I can publish this form. Now I am in my make.com dashboard and I just click create a new scenario. Now we need to choose Typeform. We can grab lead from Typeform when somebody submit. Now search Typeform. Now click some more and choose what's this response and just click. Now connect your account. Now click add and I already have connection. Now I can show you how can you connect. Now just enter add. Now choose a limit one. I can transfer one lead at a one time. Now I can select my form. So I just rename my form. I just enter a automation and just save it. Now visit your make.com dashboard and choose the form name with AI automation. So I will go back and choose this again. Now you can see I choose it and just save it. For demo purpose, now choose form now and just save it. Now visit your Typeform website and open your form and just fill a random thing and submit it. For demo purpose, we can transfer lead to our CRM. Now the website is loading. I just enter first name, last name, second name, email, phone number. Now click OK button and I just skip this part. Now hit submit button and back to make.com. Now I can run this one to see can I grab data or not. Here you can see I successfully get a data. Now click add a module and choose monday.com. I use monday.com CRM in this video. Just click some more. Now choose from a list of item. For item name I choose first name and last name. I just enter first name and space then last name. For word ID and choose your account monday.com document which you can choose your board ID to process. Now choose group ID. Here we can see. Now here you can see I just show you how can you create in your behalf. Now I am in my dashboard and just click create a new board and create board. Now click add a new group and click plus button and choose text and do everything and rename everything in your behalf. I just saw you to do and I go back in Mac.com to process this part and I choose client ID. This is for my Google Ads clients and I just paste every data. I just transfer email, first name, number, company name and data form. I just fill so I can transfer into our CRM to check it. Now I can choose name and transfer first name and last name. I just enter first name and space and last name and just save it. I just want to transfer this person only for this video and just hit run once. I cancel this process and add another module. Now I can generate Calendly link to book a meeting. Now I type Calendly and somewhere and create a schedule link. Now I can connect my Calendly link account as event type 30 minutes and just save it. And I just enter plus button. Now I can send automatic email to our lead. Now I choose send an email. Now for two, you need to enter your prospect email. Now I choose from Typeform. I just enter the email the prospect will send. Now the subject line be this AI automation and just write your content part. Now I can just write this random email. Now I can use Telegram to notify our team. And now I search Telegram. You can use Slack, but I use Telegram for management team. Now click somewhere and click send a message. Now you need to create this Telegram ID, use your token bot. Now the account ID is SampleX for this chat. Now the message will be check new lead and just enter save. Now I can run this. Now our workflow is successfully built. You need to activate this for 50 minutes. When new lead is coming, it can automatically do everything. You just don't need to do anything. And I can choose from manually to serve you this work not. I just hit run once. So I need to connect my email account. I just forget that to connect. Now you can connect Google, Microsoft, SMTP and give you one mail. I just use Microsoft for this video. You can use Google Mail. Tell me. I just show you in next video. So this SMTP is blocked. Now I use another one. Now I choose second one and I just save it and run once. Now I can open my Gmail. Now you can see the title was AI automation. The workflow is successfully doing everything. This is the email. We can build this one time and do it. Everything can do everything for us greatly. Now I can open my Gmail to show you, and next video I can show you how can you automate your invoice.